It's the Quigley Show, now on YouTube. Hi guys, what's up? We're doing a squishy video, and my sister, I call her Sissy, is currently going to bed. So, can you say hi to the friends? Everybody tell my sister goodnight.
It's an hour past my bedtime.
Tell Tumbleweed, Tumbleweed's actually her real name. Tell Tumbleweed. Everybody tell Tumbleweed goodnight.
Night, guys.
And
make sure you give this video a
big thumbs up and subscribe.
And click the bell and notifications.
Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Hit the notification so you never miss one of my videos.
Bye, guys.
Love you.
Okay, Mama.
You don't have to tell me you love them.
Talking about me, Mama.
Good night.
Bye.
You're getting your stuffed animal.
Bedtime.
Good night, guys.
Time to brush teeth.
Bye.
Night. Right after this video, we'll do that. So, here's a squishy pug. Currently, his tail got ripped off. So, yeah. Here's my sister's panda squishy. Very soft. Currently, Hot Rod and Mama's in here with me. We got another one of my sister's squishies. And don't think I'm disrespecting my mama. I'm just showing these squishies very quickly as I possibly can. So, yeah. It's ripped. You can tell. But yeah, it's still a very good squishy. It's scented. It's been with us for many years. Sorry, the chair is poking me. Here's another one of my sister's. It's bread. It's very fast rising. Wow. We've got one of mine, cheeseburger. Comment down below if you have currently this squishy. TV's running right now. Here is one of my squishies. A lot of kids at my school, a lot of kids at my school have it. It's a cat squishy. I found it at the dollar store. Now this is not a squishy, but I still like it. His name is Bugbot, since he has a symbol of a bug right here. He's not a squishy, but I love to play with him. I just need to include him in the video. He does have a little weapon, nothing bad, just a cute little sword. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss one of my videos. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one.